Embrace openness to new experiences in this human design transit starting on March 8th. And Gate 22, openness. Now in this 8th year of wisdom, wealth, and power, in order to attract any of these in their highest form, you have to be a vibrational match. You have to be willing to look at your shadow, those hard parts of yourself that you would prefer to ignore, and do the inner work to break the old beliefs and the old patterns to get yourself whole and well. And these human design transits will help you to do that in a focused way. So my intention for this video is to help you to understand how the energy of Gate 22 openness will look, how it will feel, what you can reflect, journal, and affirm on to use the energy for self-discovery and healing to support your well-being, to support your health, your joy, and prosperity. But before we get started, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you're notified when a new video has been posted. Now, when working with the energy of this transit, it is helpful to know your human design blueprint. And if you're new to human design and you are ready to discover and empower yourself, work on healing the traumas of your past, learn to manage your energy, make decisions that feel good on the inside as well as on the out. Take action that are in agreement with your whole self, your mind, your body, and soul. Then click the link in the description box to learn how you can book your reading on our website today. Welcome to Dvn Bluprnt, where we help you to awaken the divine design in you. Now, starting on March 8th to March 12th, the human design gate will shift to Gate 22, openness. Now, Gate 22, openness, sits in the solar plex center, the center of emotions, feelings, nervousness, and moods, the home of your self-conscious, your personal power, your self-confidence, your self-respect. Now, Gate 22 openness is about being open to new experiences and the multitude of emotions that come with these new experiences. Now, on the lower expression side, Gate 22 can make you feel like you don't deserve to experience life from its highest vibration, which then can lead you to feeling like a victim by either pretending to be proper or being inappropriate. Now, the expression of proper is a hidden emotion, a repressed inward emotion of resentment, a deep hatred, pretending to look and behave as if everything is okay, but deep down it isn't. The inappropriate expression is a reactive outward emotion displayed by destructive behavior because you are wearing your heart on your sleeve. And you're unable to listen to yourself, and you're unable to listen to others. So here is what Gate 22 openness is asking you to reflect and journal on during this time. Am I open to new experiences? Why or why not? And how does it make me feel? Do I feel I deserve to experience the best that life has to offer? If yes, then why? And if no, why not? And what is holding me back? What are some experiences in the past where I have to pretend that I was okay with what I was experiencing? Why? How did it make me feel? What would I have changed? What are some experiences in the past where I was inappropriate with my behavior, unable to control my emotions? Why? How did it make me feel? And what would I have changed? And last, what can I do to transform these victim expressions to ensure that I am expressing my emotions from their highest vibration? Take time to reflect and journal on what Gate 22 openness is revealing to you during this transit. Now, openness is when your attitude is accommodating. It's open to new ideas, new behaviors, new cultures, people, environments, experiences, and so much more. Accepting what life has to offer with an open mind, no judgment, just receiving the experience. Being in your feminine energy, letting down your guard, and just flowing, being in grace. When you restrict this receiving, this openness, you dishonor yourself by not allowing yourself to learn and feel through the experience, to strengthen your personal power and to help you evolve into a whole and well-being. This is where human design can help. You see, human design holds your unique energetic blueprint, your unique expression, your unique way of how you allow openness into your body and how you express it outwardly, that supports you being well and whole. So if you haven't booked your reading today, then click the link in the description box to get to our website to learn how you can book yours today. Now, Gate 22 openness will affect us all differently based on whether the solar plex is defined, undefined, open, and this gate is activated or not. And this is where your human design blueprint will help. You see, when the solar plex is defined, you are waiting for clarity and not allowing your emotions to dictate you. You're not spontaneous with your decisions or taking action, and you're taking care of yourself. Now, when it's undefined and open, your emotional energy is sporadic, and therefore you have boundaries in place to ensure that you are not attracting drama. You're not neglecting your needs because you're being too kind and people-pleasing. So to help you tune in to your solar plex so that you can connect with the kidneys and the pancreas and the nervous system to see what's coming up for you. Now, your kidneys store your emotional blockages of fear. Your pancreas stores the emotional blockages of missing out in life, and your nervous system transmits those emotions throughout your body. So place both of your hands on the lower part of your back while asking yourself the following questions. What choices have I made in the past that caused me to hide how I felt and resent for not speaking up for myself? What choices have I made in the past that caused me to act out inappropriately to others due to feeling left out? How has these choices disempowered me? And last, what can I do to restore my power? So take time to connect with the kidneys, the pancreas to see what they are revealing to you and the emotional signals they are sending throughout your body. And last, to help you to connect to the divine, your higher self, with focusing on being well and whole, here are some affirmations you can say along with the journal prompts in the earlier part of the video. I am powerful and honor my ability to experience all emotions. I am confident in my ability to express my emotions clearly. I honor the experience of life and how it will unfold to lead me to beauty, abundance, and love. So feel free to say these affirmations as many times as you wish, or create your own to help you to connect with your spirit team and to tap into the energy of the solar plex, the home of Gate 22 openness. Now, these transits are available for all of us to use if we choose to or not, And if you decide to use it as part of your self-discovery and healing journey, then make sure you are following your human design strategy and authority. So during this time, embrace openness to new experiences and Gate 22, openness. And don't forget to like so others can see, and share so others can learn and heal. Subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified when a new video has been posted. Leave us a comment and let us know what Gate 22 openness is revealing to you. Did you know that there's a wisdom that has been hidden deep inside? This wisdom is desiring to express itself, and we can help you uncover your inner wisdom with a human design reading. Our human design readings vary from a simple profile reading to advanced reading that focuses on aligning you to your soul vision and to awaken your divine blueprint. So if you are ready to uncover your inner wisdom, the link is in the description box. Now, let me leave you with this. Your divine blueprint is your original essence. It's who you truly are. Underneath all the disappointment, frustration, resentment, anger, and more, it's your true, authentic self. The ultimate goal is to express unconditional love and experience it. It starts with awareness of you, and leading with an open heart. So it's a perfect time to continue to awaken the divine design in you. See you in the next video.